I'm back in a new video. Today's video is the how to get music on the ringtone music on S3350. I don't know what is it called. Like when you're gonna turn that on, the logo is gonna come. So the logo first you need to type it in the call. Like what is your phone number? Like you need to type in star. I don't know what is that. Copy me, but and yeah, that was the wrong code, man. Yeah, it was slash star. I don't know what this first one is called, but when we do slash that one again, and we do that one, well, is that? I did the wrong one. I don't know why I'm keep doing the wrong one. Oh my gosh. So that one, then this one again. Once this comes up, you just want to press left speaker. So like if you're going to turn this on, so it will be your ringtone, like you did your ringtone. When is this one? Yeah, cool, huh? Let's try it. Oh my gosh, that's so loud. Yeah, you just get this one on left speaker. So, and when you can get this one too, I think. Which one? Mega Cam, what's that? Or this? Black LCD. So black. Just check this out. Oh my gosh, it's blank and it's just doing that. And yeah, blue LCD, green LCD, red LCD, and many more. And sleep mode. Bye guys, I'll see you at the end.